So, good morning, my friend. The before you believe your waiting has no purpose, stay here for a moment before another day passes and you begin to wonder if God has forgotten your prayer. Before disappointment convinces you that your waiting will never end, before you allow silence to become louder than God's promises, stay here for just a little while. Take a slow breath. You don't have to rush. You don't have to pretend that you are strong. Because the God who brought to here already knows what is hidden inside your heart. Perhaps you've been waiting longer than you ever imagined, waiting for healing, waiting for restoration, waiting for a door to open, waiting for a loved one to return, waiting for peace to finally replace the anxiety to carry it for so long. Some days you wake up with hope, other days you simply wake up tired. Tired of asking, tired of hoping, tired of wondering when your breakthrough will finally come. If that is where your heart is today, please know this, waiting does not mean God is absent. Sometimes His greatest work happens in places our eyes cannot yet see. Just because heaven feels quiet does not mean heaven is still. The Bible says in Lamentation 3 verse 25 verse 26, the Lord is good to those whose hope is in Him, to the one who seems Him. It is good to wait quietly for the salvation of the Lord. Notice those words. The Lord is good even while you wait. His goodness is not postponed until your miracles arrive. His love is already surrounding you today. Perhaps Joseph wondered why the prison doors remained closed. Perhaps Betty wondered why the crown took so long. Perhaps Hannah wanted if it tired whatever become a testimony. At every season of waiting became part of a greater story than only God could write, and your story is no different. The bridges that seems empty today may become the chapters that believe God's greatest faithfulness tomorrow. So before fear tells you that nothing will ever change, before discouragement steals the little hope to still have, before to stop believing in the promises God whispers into your heart, lift your eyes to heaven. The God who began a good work in you has not stopped working. Your waiting is a purpose. Your prayers have not been wasted. Your prayers have been heard, and this season will not last forever. So be still, open your heart, because today we are not praying to a distant God. We are praying to a faithful Father who has never broken a single promise.